God has a plan for you. Beloved, did you know that your life is not left to chance? That even in your darkest season, God's heart beats with a plan for you, a plan filled with hope, restoration, and a future? Today, let us dive into Jeremiah 29:11-14 and unlock the Father's promises for your life with prayers that will lift your spirit and ignite your faith. Jeremiah 29:11. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. This verse reveals the Father's assurance. Your life is not random. God Himself has intentional, divine plans for you. Even in seasons of uncertainty or pain, His blueprint is rooted in love, prosperity, and hope. He is the master architect who sees beyond today's trials into tomorrow's testimony. God's plan is the ultimate for you, so why the delay? Good question. The delay comes because we like to do things in our own ways, on our own terms, and as we want them. We often forget that Jesus Christ is the way, the truth, and life. This calls for intimacy with God, learning and following His ways, so that He may lead us by faith in the way of His plans, which leads to life, the prosperous result. Prayer. Father, I thank You because You know the plans You have for me, plans of peace, prosperity, and purpose. I silence every voice of fear and doubt, and I embrace the future You have already written in love. Lord, let my heart align with Your divine will. Cause me to walk boldly into my destiny, knowing that no weapon formed against me shall prosper. I receive the hope of a bright future. In Jesus' mighty name. Amen. Jeremiah 29:12. Then you will call on me and come and pray to me, and I will listen to you. Here, God unveils His nearness, an open invitation for you to call on Him. He is not a distant ruler, but a loving Father who bends His ear to His children. Your prayers are not ignored. They echo in the throne room of heaven. Every whispered plea, every tear, every groan of the heart reaches Him, and He promises to listen. This is not the time to give up or be tired, but it's time to be energized and receive strength to pray. Purusher, Abba Father, thank You for the privilege of calling on Your name. I lift my voice in prayer today, confident that You hear me. Let every barrier between me and You be broken. Draw me deeper into intimacy with You. When I pray, let heaven respond with favor and mercy. Lord, I believe that as I cry out, You incline Your ear toward me, and I will never be forgotten. Amen. Jeremiah 29:13. You will seek me and find me when you seek me with all your heart. The Father longs for wholehearted pursuit. Your heart is the most important part of you. With your heart, you communicate with God. He promises that He is not hiding, but waiting to be discovered by those who genuinely thirst for Him. His presence is the greatest treasure, and when you seek Him with all your heart, you will encounter His glory, peace, and direction. Prayer. Lord, I desire You above all else. Today, I choose to seek You with all my heart, all my strength, and all my soul. Remove every distraction that pulls me away from You. Let my hunger for Your presence outweigh my desire for worldly gain. Father, reveal Yourself to me in new dimensions. Let me find You in my worship, my prayers, and my daily walk. You are my treasure, and I will not stop seeking until I overflow with Your presence. Amen. Jeremiah 29:14. I will be found by You, declares the Lord, and will bring you back from captivity. I will gather you from all the nations and places where I've banished you, declares the Lord, and will bring you back to the place from which I carried you into exile. This verse reveals God's restorative nature. No matter how far you've drifted, no matter the chains of bondage or exile, God promises restoration. He gathers, He heals, He restores destinies, and He leads His children back to the place of blessing. His heart is to bring you home, to His presence, His purpose, His abundance. Prayer. Faithful Father, thank you for your promise of restoration. I declare that every captivity in my life, spiritual, emotional, financial, or physical, must bow to the power of your word. Lord, gather the broken pieces of my destiny and make me whole again. Restore my joy, restore my peace, restore my breakthroughs. I declare that I am coming out of exile into your promised land. By your mercy, I am brought back into alignment with your perfect plan. Thank you for being the God who restores. Amen. Beloved, Jeremiah 29:11-14 is not just a promise. It is the Father's will for you. Receive it, believe it, and pray it daily over your life. If this prayer blessed you, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with someone who needs encouragement today. And if you want to dive deeper into God's promises, check out the other powerful prayers on this channel. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and stay connected for more faith-building content. Remember, your future is secure in His hands.